So I'm on my beautiful balcony. Look at all those pretty trees. But I just realized from recording another video, if I zoom in over there, you could see apartment buildings. Let's look at the view. Don't you just love to see all this of this is all mine, because I can see this. You're in my point of view. Then I just want to zoom in. The lake is over there. Apartment buildings where no frills should be. Up, down, side to side. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh, da-na-na-na. Ow. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah, 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 yeah.